Okay, hello everyone. Sorry for the different format of video because today I'm recording from school. Okay, I don't have my tab with me. So today we're going to talk about a new chapter, which is 4.1. We're solving simultaneous equation. Okay, solving simultaneous. The word simultaneous means at the same time equations. So you are wondering what it means solving simultaneous equations. Basically, it means to solve two equations at the same time. Okay, what do I mean? So you will see questions that look like this in your worksheet, okay, that you're going to have. Now I'm going to use the questions that I take here 1, 2, 3 and 5 as examples to teach you. After the video, you try on your own those same questions, understand it, then you can try the rest of the 4 to 9, so another 5 questions for you to practice. Okay, it's about the same method. Today we're going to do it simple, slow. Okay, it's the same thing. So let's look at question 1 first. Okay, so what do we mean by simultaneous equation? See, the question looks like this. There are two equations for you to solve. Normally you solve equations there's only an x inside or y inside, but now there's an x and y inside it. So it's a bit tricky, a bit interesting. So let's go ahead a bit and don't waste time. Okay, so the first thing is the question looks like that. So x minus 2y equals to 11. Okay, and the other equation is x plus y equals to 2. Now, there are a few steps you need to follow, so it's going to be quite long. I need you to listen carefully. Okay, so first step, number 1. Can you please label the equations? There are two equations, right? Label 1 and label 2. Very simple. Okay, so when I say equation 1, you know which I'm talking about. This guy, x minus 2y equals 11. If I say equation 2, it means this one here. Okay, next thing you want to look at, because to solve simultaneous equation there are two methods. One is elimination method. Okay, so we're going to do that now. Elimination. So first thing you want to do is label. Second thing is to, can you look at what? Look for the x, compare the x and the y. Okay, can you tell me which one, or rather can you look and figure out which one has the same value? That means the same number in front. We call it coefficient. Okay, we compare the y. So this is plus y, this is minus 2y. It's not the same because it's y and 2y. Look at the x and x. Let's get rid of this. Okay, 1x and 1x. We can get rid of this thing very easily. Okay, so next thing to look out for is the x or the y. Which one has the same number in front? Then we are interested in that. So we're interested in this. I'm going to just do a simple circle just to show you. Simple circle just to show you. I'm interested in this too. Okay, so look at the x now. Okay, are they positive or negative? So this x minus 2y, so this is positive. X plus y, this is positive also, equation 2. So how do we eliminate? Eliminate means get rid of it, make it 0. Okay, so go back to basics. X and x. How to make it 0? X plus x, x minus x, which one? Okay, should be minus lah, huh? X minus x is 0. Make sense, right? X minus x, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. X minus x, 0. Okay, so once I look out for the x that is the same, the variable that are the same in value for elimination, I want to check for the sign. Is it positive or negative? So both positive are already here. Positive, positive. I want to minus it, make it 0. So I'm going to do this, magic. Okay, so we're going to look at it this way now. This is something new. You can replay this video many times. I'm going to minus this thing. Okay, we are minusing it. I'm going to do a simple thing like that, like primary school. Okay, this video is a bit long, my apologies. This is just some working lines for you to look at. Okay, so first one, x minus x. So we're going to minus it off right now because it gives me 0. Guess what? I have successfully eliminated. So this method, elimination. Okay, I successfully eliminated, get rid of x. It becomes 0 already. Next one, negative 2y minus y. Okay, so I can write down here. Negative 2y minus positive y, so minus y. Okay, equals, write back the equal, 11 minus 2. So it's 11 minus 2. You can work out straight away, or you can just write 11 minus 2. Okay, so then in mind, straight away we look, minus 2y minus y is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3y equals to, this one will be 9. Okay, so we're going to solve. So we solve how to find y, not minus 3y. So minus 3y to y, we divide by negative 3. Same thing you do on the left, you do on the right. Negative 3, answer is negative 3. Work it out. Done. Okay, you notice something. This is not like your typical equation. You solve, you get one answer. Simultaneous equation, there's an x and y inside. So once you have done y, you got to continue again, because you need to find the x also. So this is where the next step goes to. Once you solve ready, you check for sign, you solve. Then after that, you do this. Standard, everybody must write this. Substitute sub y equals to negative 3 into equation 1. Everyone just use equation 1. You know what I'm talking about, equation 1 here. Okay, so what we'll do is this. Equation 1 is here, right? We're going to rewrite again. X minus 2y equals to 11. Okay, this is equation 1. We're going to substitute, means we're going to put the value of y as minus 3 inside here. So where's the y? Y is here, right? So it becomes x minus 2 bracket. The value of y is now minus 3 equals to 11. Okay, so from here we can solve already. X minus 2 times minus 3 is positive. Negative times negative, positive 6 equals to 11. So the value of x now, minus 6 minus 6, 5. This one you should know how to do. Therefore, you got your two answers ready. Okay, solving simultaneously, you get y is negative 3, x is 5. Okay, so these are your two answers that we're looking for. Alright, so the first step, you label the equation. Second step, you look out for the same variable, the variable with the same value in front. The third step, you check for their sign. Check for sign. Is it positive, negative? How do I make it 0? If I write down both like that side by side, I must minus it, or do I plus it? Okay. Then lastly, remember to solve for both x and y, or y and x. Okay, sorry for such a long video. Please play a few times to understand. Okay, thank you.